what's up you guys? This is Theody Prado and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So karon na video ang akong buhaton kay mag-makeup ko. Yes guys, mag-makeup ko. Kanang murag simple ra siya na makeup para nako. Mostly how I fix myself kung naa-jay mga events if kailangan og makeup, and sometimes kana ra gong wala ra. So, let's start na guys. So, muna na siya. Tara! So guys, mo ni siya akong buhaton ron. I have my makeups, mga foundation, stick, my brushes, my foam, okay, eyeshadows, sa paman. Yeah, mostly more na siya. Napod ko eyeliner, black and brown, kay mostly mo na akong gamiton. And yes, petroleum jelly. I need petroleum jelly, especially sa akong oh my gosh, sa akong kilay, kay uga siya, so kailangan siyang moist mag-oil. So, let's start na guys. So, I'm gonna use first. So, ang akong gamitan guys, kay Quick-an. So, gamitan na akong towel para mawa ang excess oil sa akong now. But I really need oil from my face. So, I'm gonna start with my Love Summer Love Summer Design Concealer. Yes, number 3. Mostly kanin jud ako kan happy na guys siya mahurot guys. Then I use Dr. Lowin's this. So I use this for foundation, liquid foundation. Then, magkilay na ta. So, ang akong kilay is, I use black pencil.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So sometimes guys, I put my contact lens.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So mo dito siya guys. So say kay magbutang ko og kuan sa akong eyelid. I use Mavic MacLeod. Yeah.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Nya say kay mo gamit ko og pang contour kaning akong gamiton kay ang kuan makeup beauty. Di siya maklaro kayo guys kay hanap.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on
So guys, usahay pod kay ganahan pug ko og magwig. So na ako'y wig. Yeah, ano siya. Di siya nindot na wig guys, pero I think it will do. So that's it for this video guys. So hope you like the way I look right now. If you like this video, hit the like button, and sa pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na guys. So see you guys, bye.